A small portable cyclonic dust collector, and it's got about 600 CFM. It's designed for one or two tools use, and it is principally a high efficiency cyclone where you filter by weight 99% of the material out before the filter. So the filter stays clean and you get a constant flow through the unit. It's portable, it's on wheels, it'll run one big woodworking tool or two smaller ones, and it can be used as a small central system in your garage, or you can wheel it around, hook it up. The advantages of this over a single stage system is that we're separating all of the wood waste mechanically before the filter. So the filter stays clean for long periods of time. We have a high efficiency filter that captures ostensibly 100% of the fine material. So periodically you will have to take this filter off and tap it out. It has talc-sized material in it. It's got a very low noise level and a good amount of suction. It's becoming a very popular tool. Also features an American-made Baldor motor and a mag starter. Has a remote switch. Well, it's an option. Remote is an option. 5-inch pipe. Yeah. Yeah. Some. So it's good for.
Split 2 floors off.
Yeah, you could split. You could run two smaller machines.
Is this a 220 system?
No, it's 110. We developed this to fill a niche, kind of between a standard dust collector that has a big hose and a vac like that, where typically vacs don't have enough air volume or CFM to work well on most general woodworking tools. But then dust collectors like this have a relatively low pressure capability. So in other words, you couldn't use that as a vacuum to pick chunks or bolts off the floor. So this unit is also a cyclonic unit. It's got a HEPA filter inside, and it has about 300 CFM, and it also has about 80 inches of water column or pressure. So you can use it as a dust collector or a vac. It kind of fits the niche in between that. It's got about 3 times more airflow than a standard shop vac like that. So same principle, where we source collect and we use a high efficiency cyclone separator, and that separates 99+ of the material, runs through the HEPA filter, and then exhausts out. This product is called the Dust Deputy, and it's injection molded plastic cyclone. Also, it's made of static dissipated material, and so that you get some electrical static dissipation that you can ground. And what it is we put it in line in front of a shop vac, so it attenuates mechanically about, depending on the size of the material, about 99% of the material, so that your shop vac filter stays clean. I'll give a demonstration on how it works. So the material is separated out mechanically, drops down into the 5-gallon pail. So you can see that nearly all the material was collected in the 5-gallon pail, and that the filter stays clean, which is a big advantage in maintenance, especially if you're collecting fine micron material. And the way this works is it's got tapered outlets and inlet that fit most common vac sizes, so that you can it's shouldered for different size diameters. So it fits most of the common brands like Rigid and Craftsman, and so you don't have to have any different attach or cuff devices. And then to dispose of the material, you have a second bucket so that you can just pull this out and dump it. It's particularly valuable if you're using palm sanders or creating a lot of sanding dust, because if you use sanding material, will clog a vacuum very quickly, 10 or 15 minutes, and your filter is completely clogged. So this allows you to sand for about a factor of 50 longer before you have to take your filter out and clean it.